Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Tenn plastic ink insert bracket kit is what this is. So when you purchase this, you're getting a pair of these inset brackets. And admittedly, initially, I did not know exactly what these are used for, but once you understand it, either based on experience or simply asking the factory, the latter is what I did. It becomes quite apparent. So the bottom line is, and the installation instructions are linked to down below, you can see here where they attach the bracket to the inside face frame, to the inside frame. And generally what happens is you would use a block of wood to give yourself the area onto which to attach the slide. When you are doing an overlay application, it doesn't kind of matter if that slide moves a little bit, which is ultimately connected to your drawer front, which will then, of course, move in your opening a little bit. But when you have an inset application, the tolerance for margin has to be exact, because you can see when your door is inset into the frame, you can see the margin all the way around. So the purpose of this inset bracket kit is to give you the ability to attach your bracket on each side of the opening, and then you bring your slide here, and with the screw included, you will go through the slide and attach it to this sliding adjustable portion piece that's right here, is how that works. Okay? Okay? So through your slide will then come this screw, and you attach your slide to this. It will come with 4 long screws that will allow you to get, of course, through the material, okay, into your face frame. And that's what this is for. You know, if you have overlay, you know, you're not so concerned about it. The logic is, the cabinets are manufactured, it all fits nice and square, goes to the job, floors aren't level, the house has settled after a year, those drawer fronts now don't fit really well, and with a system like this you can better adjust your drawer and ultimately where that door sits inside of the opening. So a couple of basic dimensions: overall width of the bracket, about 1 5/8 inches. Overall height of the bracket, about 2.5. Overall projection, looks like it's about 1 3/16 inches maybe. Okay, and again, a left hand and a right hand are going to be included with this. Okay, 4 screws to hold the brackets onto the face frame, and then your 2 machine screws for the slides to the adjustable slide portion of that unit. Okay, I had an extremely pleasant experience speaking to technical support at Tenn. I would absolutely recommend that you review the link below this video to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up not only all the Tenn products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as their full product catalog. With customer service and technical support that I just got from them, I would be looking to purchase everything from their catalog in the cabinet industry or any related industry that you work in. If you have any questions on the Tenn plastics, this is their B393 insert bracket kit, and they're sold as each. When you buy one, we're going to ship you 1 kit. Any questions on this or any other Tenn plastics product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.